Google ads or Facebook ads. And that's how I make my campaigns work. So I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for joining in, and I look forward to seeing you in my next ones. Bye for now.